Good morning, friends! Welcome to my mini vlog. Today, I'm going to share another quick and easy ideas in cooking eggs. So, para mausara o luto ang rice o egg, you can use rice cooker. So, while boiling, you can put the egg, make sure it's clean. When done na, the rice is cooked, the eggs are cooked also. Then, let's get the eggs. Then, remove the shells. So, kani siya nga ideas, tipid-tipid po ni siya yung kuryente, diba? So, you can cook rice and egg in one. Diba? Tipid-tipid kahit ang kuryente. Karong panahon na, let's manage our time, diba? We need to manage our time. Sige, let's remove the egg shells na. And done! And ready to eat na. Thank you for watching and see you!